Hey guys, it's Kathy and
Andy,
and we are going to be participating in the Read Aloud challenge. And Andy's going to be reading the book. It's from the Bob series, which is an awesome tool if you're teaching your child how to read, and it's actually how I taught Anderson how to read. So it's highly suggested. Andy, what book are you going to be reading today from the series?
Lad and the Fat Cat.
Okay, all right, let's get it started.
Ooh. Lad had a fat cat. So see, there's pictures that can tell you what happened. The cat is Kit. Kit sat in a box.
Slow it down so they can see the picture.
Okay. Lad sat on a egg keg.
Okay.
Lad had a nap. So see, every time when you turn to one,
Keep going.
Kit sat and sat in the box. Lad did nap a lot. Get up, Lad. Get up, Kit. Kit had 6 cats. The end.
Very good job, Andy. Awesome.
And see on the back, it has all the bookcases.
All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching our challenge. Andy, thank you so much for reading. And y'all have a good day. Bye.
Bye. We'll see you next time.